Alright, 2004 Winnebago Sightseer. Okay, now this is a slave post I was talking about. Now I designed this so it would clear the slave post, but I don't need that one because the post isn't up far enough. So I'm going to use this one. And I'll take the nut. Alright, that's stationary. Now we're going to take this 7-inch slide plate because it covers the distance between here and the bottom of the windshield. Snug it for now. Alright, put the faceplate on. Alright, now we slide this in there tight. Tight. Now we got something solid to set that new windshield on. Alright, now I'll show you when we put it back in.